Welcome to WPForms, the best WordPress contact form plugin on the market. Today I'm going to show you how to automatically add your form subscribers to your MailPoet email list. The MailPoet add-on by WPForms allows you to connect your forms to MailPoet and grow your subscriber list each time a user fills out and submits a form on your site. With that said, let's jump right in. Starting off on the WordPress dashboard, you'll first want to make sure you've installed and activated the MailPoet plugin. Unlike our other integrations, MailPoet requires its own plugin to be set up before you can connect it to WPForms. So first go to WPForms, Settings, and then go to the Integrations tab. Find the MailPoet option and click on the link that says Install the MailPoet plugin. This will take you to the Add New Plugins page on your WordPress site, with MailPoet already listed on the page. Install and activate the plugin, and when it's done, you'll be redirected to the Welcome page where you can begin configuring MailPoet using the Setup wizard, but you can skip this and complete it later if you want. Once you've gone through this process, you'll need to connect your MailPoet account, which will open in a new tab. If you don't have one yet, you can create it and select a plan, or if you already have an account, you can log in and under the My Subscription section, copy the available key. Tab back to your WordPress site where the MailPoet activation page is open, paste the key, and then click Verify Account. Now that the key is verified, your MailPoet account is connected, and we can head into the Form Builder to integrate it with WPForms. In the Form Builder, click on the Marketing tab on the left, click on the MailPoet tab, and click on the Add New Connection button on the top right corner. A pop-up will appear where you can write in a custom name for your new connection. When you're done, click OK. Afterwards, you'll see some settings appear for the connection: Action to perform, email, lists, and custom fields. In the Action to Perform dropdown, you can choose to either have the add-on automatically add users as subscribers to a list of your choosing, or allow them to unsubscribe from your list if they fill out and submit the form. In the Email field, select the field in your form that will contain the user's email address. In the List dropdown, you can choose from any of the available mailing lists you've created in MailPoet, and you can select multiple lists at one time if you'd like. Finally, in the Custom Fields section, you can map WPForms fields to MailPoet custom fields to collect additional information from your subscribers. You can add more rows to the table by clicking on the blue plus button. You can also enable conditional logic for this connection so that the MailPoet add-on will only perform the action you selected if a user meets certain conditions in the form, like making a specific selection or filling in a particular field. When you're done, save your changes and go ahead and preview your form to make sure that the connection is successful by submitting a test entry. When your test entry has been submitted, you can go back to your WordPress dashboard and go to MailPoet, Lists, click on the list you connected to your form, and view your newly added subscribers. And that's all there is to it. You now know how to automatically add subscribers to your MailPoet email list by using WPForms. If you have any questions or concerns, please visit WPForms.com and check out our documentation page, where you can find step-by-step written guides for all of our features, add-ons, and more. You can also join our WPForms VIP Circle group on Facebook to learn even more tips and tricks, as well as be part of the growing WPForms community. If you need any extra help, please visit our contact page to connect with one of our trusted advisors. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.